Epcot now. Gonna walk around the world.
The World Showcase.
Countries.
Yeah, the countries. We're in France right now.
The rain's holding off now, so hopefully we'll be able to stay for IllumiNations, see some fireworks. We don't usually get to stay late enough to see the fireworks, and we're gonna enjoy the evening.
And it seems pretty crowded right now. I didn't think it'd be this crowded this time of year, but it is.
And it's starting to get muggy. So it's probably gonna warm up pretty good.
So excuse the hair. It's a little humidity
we might do
going
more.
on.
Yeah, we might do more walking around and showing stuff, and then the fireworks, than actually talking. We'll see how it goes.
I'm just happy I'm here.
Yep.
I love Epcot. I love Disney. Yeah.
7:20. This place is still crowded. Florida Fresh.
Watermelon and cucumber slushy. Just take a picture. We're in Japan. You see it's a little crowded.
It's now 7:40. We got here today, it was 68 degrees. And I would bet it's probably closer to 80.
You
84.
think so?
Oh yeah.
I think it's still a little chilly.
No, it's not chilly. It's not chilly to me.
So this is 100 plus years old.
How about
that is adorable.
Exactly. Or maybe I'm a really sneaky ninja where I tell you just to confuse you.
It's true. Super secret hidden ninja. I think we kind of forget, since it's been going on so long, that it's still Flower and Garden Festival. 2, 3. They're grumpy on me.
Of Earth. This spectacular representation can be experienced from all around the World Showcase Lagoon. Due to low levels around the World Showcase Hub, please watch your step and take small children by the hand. We also ask for your safety and that of our guests and cast members remain on the side of all buildings during the show. Thousands of years before us, to share the light and to share a Reflections.
That's pretty good.
It was really good. Glad we stayed to watch it.
Yeah. Speak, woman.
So we had a great time. We ate at the Cape May restaurant, and then we walked around the World Showcase. We walked around a couple of countries, and then we stood and waited for IllumiNations. We stood in a different spot we've never stood in before. I think it's usually a reserved spot, but it was open tonight. It's over between France and Great Britain, like right, like kind of
by the bridges.
Yeah, underneath the bridge, kind of. Yeah, it was actually a really good spot, and I was noticing that if we were in the Fast Pass area where you could see IllumiNations, all the smoke was going that way. So I'm not sure.
Yeah,
what kind of show
it's hit or miss on the wind. We lucked out tonight on the wind.
So I'm not sure what kind of show that they were getting over there.
Yeah.
But we had a great time.
Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed what we enjoyed, seeing what we did.
And I hope one time we can stay at the Disney Beach Resort Club. It looked beautiful, smelled great.
It has its own smell.
Yeah, it's just real homey, beachy.
Yeah, it makes you
beachy
feel like if you walk out the door, the ocean's there.
Yeah.
It was it's really nice.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Yep, and I had to get my popcorn. I have to get that Warner's popcorn from Germany.
Germany.
Oh, it's good. It's really good. But we had a good day. Hope you had a good day. And we'll see you out there sometime.
Bye.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook
Instagram
and Twitter.